In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Google Drive link to share photos with somebody else. And basically what we need to do is go to our Google Drive. If you don't have one yet, then you can go to Google and just type in Google Drive. And there it is, just click on it and you will be redirected into this page. For the first step we need to create a new folder, so we will click on the new button and we will select new folder and we will call it shared photos. So we will create that, and after that you will be redirected to my drive, and there you can see the folder we have created. And basically what we want to do is click on more actions, and now we want to share. And what you can do is you can add people to share with, so you can add someone's Google Mail, someone's Gmail, or you can just copy the link and send it to people. And I will open the folder for now. As you can see, we can add some photos here. If I open my file, we can add some photos to it, and now it's uploading a photo. And as you can see, there is now an image into this folder. And if we want to share this, then we can just go back. And there we have the folder, shared photos. And we can click on the double dots, the three dots. And there you will have the link, copy link. And now you can share it to everyone you want. That's easy it. And hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in the next one. Cheers guys!